Hello everyone, my name is Pranav Das and I am a legal intern in Lexis and Company. So today I am going to discuss a very important landmark judgment which is Novartis AG versus Union of India and others. It is a case relating to the intellectual property rights and it relates to the major concept of patentability. So this case involved a challenge of the patentability of a cancer drug called Gleevec manufactured by the Novartis AG. So in this case, the Novartis sought a patent for an improved version of Gleevec under the Indian Patents Act. Indian Patents Act is a statutory law which applies to all the patents procedures which are applicable in India. In this case, the primary issue was whether the improved version of Gleevec qualified as a new invention and was eligible for patent protection. In this, the Supreme Court analyzed Section 3D of the Indian Patents Act, which prohibits the grant of patents for incremental or minor improvements of existing drugs. In this case, the court interpreted Section 3D and held that the improved version of Gleevec did not meet the criteria of being a significantly enhanced efficiency or therapeutic efficiency over the original drug. It ruled that mere discovery of new form of a known substance without showing enhanced therapeutic efficiency would not be eligible for the patent protections. In this case, the court emphasized the importance of preventing evergreening, so which refers to extension of patent exclusively through minor changes that do not provide significant therapeutic benefits. It held that the objective of Indian Patent Act was to strike a balance between rewarding an innovation and ensuring affordable access to essential medicines to the public at large. In this case, the judgment had significant implications of the pharmaceutical industry as it established a strict standard for patentability and limited the scope of patent protection for incremental innovations. This decision by the Supreme Court India was seen as a victory for generic drug manufacturers and access to the affordable medicines in India. Thank you so much.